Creating perfect spikes in Blender looks easy, but are you actually doing it the right way? If you're still grabbing and pulling every single vertex manually, you're wasting a lot of valuable time. Hey guys, welcome back to Motion Pixel Academy. Today, I'll show you how to create a professional looking spiky object like this in just a few simple steps. First, press Shift plus A, go to Mesh and add a torus. Next, press Tab to enter Edit mode. Then press A to select all the vertices.
Now press Ctrl plus Shift plus B and drag your mouse to bevel the vertices. After that, press Shift plus G and choose Polygon Sides. This will automatically select all the required faces at once. Now press I to inset the selected faces slightly. Next, press Alt plus E, choose Extrude individual faces and drag them outward. For the final step, press M. Then choose Collapse to turn the flat tops into sharp spikes. That's it. In just a few seconds, you'll have a clean, symmetrical and professional looking spiky object.
Now, you can apply any material or texture you like to give it your own unique style. Just look at the difference. With only a few shortcuts, you've created a clean, professional spiky object. Whether you're making sci-fi assets, weapons, creatures, or abstract designs, this technique will save you a lot of time on every project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Motion Pixel Academy. Let me know in the comments which Blender tool or tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching. Keep modeling, keep creating.